out. As Zachary Turner's going to bring the field around. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Looked like David Lemke thought he was going to bring him around. As we are green flag racing, and Zachary Turner is just dropping to the back quick. As he is almost in last. A lot of problems in that 4 car. But David Lemke is going to pull away. Zachary Turner is in last. He went from first to last in 1 lap. Yeah, definitely something's off in that 4 car.
Yeah, he's about 3 seconds off the pace and dropping as Lemke continues to be out front.
Second to last, my fault, the 14 car. So it's Lemke, Linmuth, and Woods, Maddie, and Harlan.
Lemke still in the lead, Linmuth in second. As he's trying to work the low side, and on the back stretch he goes in that 44 machine.
Linmuth now taking the lead from Lemke.
And will Woods do it as well in that 57 machine? Can he get a hold of Lemke on that low side?
So it's 44 Linmuth, Woods, Lemke, Strobel, and the 21.
Linmuth still in first in that 44 machine. Lemke in that 06 in the second spot. Strobel currently in fourth, trying to work his way up. As a 57W of Corey Woods will check himself out of the race.
So here comes your winner coming around. It's going to be Kyle Linmuth. Followed by second place, the 06. Nope, the 14 of Al Strobel, the 06 of David Lemke, the 00 of Cameron Maddie, and the 28 of Nathan Harlan are your top 5. 6th place will go to Zachary Turner. 7th, and that's going to be your top 5. So that will be our last race for the Bracket B heat races. We're going into Bracket BB. It's the Herbie Lovebug coming out in the 15 car. How about that? Herbie's alive.